You search for how to quickly rename a WordPress page. This is the full 2026 guide, and we're doing it with no plugins and no code. We're on the WordPress login screen right now. Type your username and password into the login fields, then click the Login button. The dashboard appears with the black admin bar across the top and the menu on the left. Click Pages in the left menu. It's the third item down with a little paper icon. The page management screen opens, then click All Pages. You'll see a table listing every page on your site. The columns show the title, author, date, and status. The title is a clickable link, but don't click it yet. Find the page you want to rename. I'm using the default About page as the example. Hover over the About row. The title turns bold and the background changes to a light gray. A row of small links appears underneath. Edit, Quick Edit, Trash, and View. Click Edit. Don't use Quick Edit. It can change the title, but it doesn't show you the full editor, and it's easy to mess up the slug by accident. The WordPress block editor takes over the whole screen. The top bar has the WordPress logo on the left, then the page title, and then the preview and update buttons on the right. The page title is the large text field at the very top of the main editing area. Click directly on the existing title. About becomes highlighted in blue and the cursor sits at the end. Type the new name. About Us. Keep it short. About Us is clean. Don't write about our company and team. If you have a Contact Us page, use About Us to match. Consistency looks better. As you type, the old title disappears and the new text replaces it. Don't use a period at the end. Titles don't need punctuation. Now click anywhere else inside the editor, maybe on a block below. The title field updates and you'll see a small saving notice appear near the top. That's the autosave kicking in, but it only saves a draft. It doesn't change the live page yet. Before you save, look right below the title. That's the URL slug. It still says About. We're leaving that alone. The page title and the URL are two separate things. Changing one doesn't change the other. The slug field is small and gray. If you click it, it becomes editable with a warning that changing it will break old links. I don't recommend clicking it for this simple rename. If you later decide to change the slug too, you'd have to set up redirects, which is a whole other task. Now look at the top right corner. You'll see a preview button and an update button. Click Preview if you want to see the new title on a live-looking page first. A new tab opens with the About Us title as the heading. Close that tab when you're happy, then click Update. It's the blue button in the top right. WordPress saves the change. The button might show a little spinner for a second, then a green notice appears that says Page Updated. If you had any unsaved changes in other blocks, this also saves those. That's why it's called Update instead of Save. Click View Page in the same top bar. The live site loads with your new title at the top of the page content. The title is now an H1 heading, and the browser tab itself also shows the new name. Notice that the rest of the content hasn't moved at all. Only the title text changed. That's the whole point of editing instead of deleting and recreating. Your text, images, and buttons stay exactly where they were. Now check the navigation menu. If your site uses a block theme and the menu still shows the old name, go back to the dashboard. Click Appearance in the left menu. Then click Editor. The site editor loads with your entire template visible. It looks like the block editor but full screen. Click Navigation in the left panel. Select your menu. It might be called Main Navigation or Primary. Find the item that says About. Click it. The block settings open on the right. Change the label to About Us. Then click Save in the top right of the site editor. Visit your site again to confirm. The menu now shows the new name. Scroll through the live page and look for buttons or links that mention the old name. Look for any word in a different color with an underline. That's a link. Hover over it to see where it goes. Click each one to make sure it goes to the right page. Renaming the title doesn't update link text automatically. If you have a call to action button that says Read About, it still says that even though the page is now About Us. Update that text manually if it matters. Check how the title wraps on mobile. If you opened the preview earlier, look for the device icon in the bottom left corner of the preview screen. Click it, choose mobile. The screen shrinks. The title wraps onto 2 lines. That's fine. If it breaks badly, shorten it. You can rename a page as many times as you want. It's not a one-time deal. If you can't find the page in the list, use the search box at the top right of the All Pages list, type a word from the old title, press Enter, and the list filters instantly. If the page was deleted, click Trash at the top of the list and restore it first. And don't delete and recreate a page just to rename it. That breaks the old URL, loses your revision history, and makes Google recrawl a new URL. Editing the existing page is always safer. If your page is a draft, it's in the same list. Drafts have a label that says Draft next to the title. Open it the same way, change the title, and save the draft. The process is identical for publish, private, and draft pages. The only difference is that a draft doesn't have a live URL yet, so you don't have to worry about the slug until you publish. One more thing. There's no built-in bulk rename in WordPress. You have to do it one page at a time, and that's okay. Each page has its own URL and SEO value. Bulk renaming usually makes a mess anyway. So now you've successfully renamed a WordPress page. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying this was helpful. Comments push this video to other people looking for the same thing.